An unexpected car repair wiped out my entire savings account in one afternoon. I had nothing left in 2 weeks until payday. That moment taught me exactly what an emergency fund is for and how to build one so that never happens again. 3 to 6 months of living expenses kept in cash, not invested. Not for vacations, sales, or wants. Only genuine emergencies. Its job is to keep you out of debt when real life happens. A full 3-month fund feels impossible when you are starting from zero. $1,000 covers the vast majority of real-life emergencies. Hit $1,000 before you do anything else with extra money. A high-yield savings account, not your everyday checking. A separate bank makes it harder to casually dip into. High-yield accounts currently earn 4 to 5% interest. Use that. Sell one thing you no longer use this week. List it today. Cut one subscription for the next 60 days. Any windfall, tax refund, bonus, gift goes straight here first. Set up an automatic transfer on every payday. Even $25 a week builds to $1,300 by the end of the year. What you never see in your checking account you never spend. The free savings tracker in the description lets you watch your emergency fund grow toward your target. It is surprisingly motivating. Link below. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.